Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly change out a battery on any car or truck 2017 and up. It's a little different than what you're probably used to. This stuff has a lot of computers on it. If you don't properly go in there afterwards with the computer, sometimes your backup screens won't work. Some of the functions on a car won't work. They'll come back eventually, but it also leaves the vehicle thinking that it just went through a very traumatic event. Some cars are a little kinder than others. This vehicle that we're working on is a 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD model. Customer's complaint, thought the starter might have been bad. He was smart enough to pay me for a diagnostic, and definitely just a battery. So as you can see, it's not real hard to replace a battery on one of these. It's got the original battery in it. A lot of these original batteries, they just don't hold up like they used to. I recommend using a good quality battery. Don't go to Walmart and buy an EverStart. Us mechanics, we nickname them Never Starts. This is the wrong place on the vehicle to try to save a couple bucks on a highly computerized newer model car. Alright, so when we hook it back up, we want to hook the positive side back up first. Also, there's some aftermarket wiring on here. I'm gonna ask the customer what it's for here shortly. When you see that, you want to ask them what it's for, because you don't want to be missing a parasitic draw problem. A parasitic draw would be if the vehicle's drawing power while the car's off on any of the circuits. It's a fairly simple test to do. Basically, you would unhook the negative side of the battery, use your multimeter, put it on a specific ohm setting, and pull out one fuse at a time until you see the power drop go away. I'll probably eventually do a video on that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're new here. We could use a lot of subscribers to get the word out. I'm gonna be doing a lot of repairs. I do anywhere from 4 to 6 a day. I may not always have time to break out my camera and make a video, but when I do, I will. The editing takes quite a bit of time, more than I thought. Maybe I can get good enough to where I can afford to pay somebody to do it for me. We will see. All right, we immediately want to move inside the vehicle. I already got the scanner set up. You got the key, sir? I need. I gotta put on accessory mode. If you don't already have a decent little scanner, you know, you don't have to buy the most expensive one. They got some on there like $400 that can do something basic like this. A lot of the newer cars though, they're starting to put a security gateway module past in there. I'll be doing a video on that eventually. I like using a nice Bluetooth one. Alright, so we're gonna click Toyota. We're gonna walk out here to the vehicle. Get down here. We know it's a North America 16 pin. Some of the stuff, if you have any questions, you can always message me. Okay, this one has a smart key. Okay. As you can see, it's scanning it. We're going to do a smart scan. We're going to scan all the computers. So we'll click on each one of them. That's a history door, history code. It says power window switch on the right side door malfunction. It was probably a repair that got done at one time. They didn't clear it. Lower or high power supply. Open and knee airbag, D-side squib circuit. That tells me that the airbag might have deployed at one time. Four-wheel drive range signal performance. That's history. These are all history codes. They could have been simply glitches. We're going to clear them. We're always going to look under service functions. Normally I would say start it up, check the alternator, but I already checked the alternator, so I'm not going to show you that on this video. Okay, you want to look on here. This hit battery match. Backup battery replacement reset. Okay, 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 so we did the battery reset. Not every vehicle is going to have that option, but a lot of the newer ones are. Go ahead and start it up. If it has a backup camera, backup camera's working. Okay. We're gonna do one final check. We're gonna switch it off. Switch it back to the accessory. I'm gonna scan it one more time. Cool. We're all good. As you can see, everything's in the green. All right, we're all done today. As you can see, everything was in the green. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Will do.